In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can look for videos on Canva for whatever project you're working on, especially if you're creating YouTube videos. I'm going to show you how you can find videos for your project on YouTube, and it does not matter the kind of niche you're in. Whatever video you're creating on YouTube, you can actually find something suitable for your project on Canva. Now, this is Tech Tools Insider, and this is actually like my first video. So welcome to my channel. In this channel, we are going to be exploring the best apps, online software, and AI tools to enhance your productivity, creativity, and your everyday tasks. From video editing software to AI hacks, I'm going to be bringing you easy to follow guides to help level up your tech game. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to look for videos on Canva for whatever projects that you're working on. And for these, I'm going to be using the paid version of Canva that I have. If you have a free version of Canva, you can use it as well. It's just that for the free version of Canva, the options that you have are limited. So let's get started in today's video. So like I said, I'm going to show you how you can look for videos on Canva for your project, for whatever project that you're working on. So normally what we do here is that first off, you decide what kind of project are you working on, what kind of social media are you posting this video on. But for this video, or in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this with your YouTube video. So this is like, you can just choose this YouTube video, or you can just come here and type in YouTube video, and you're going to have like options coming up. So YouTube video chapter, this is what we're going to use. As you can see, there are lots of templates here that you can choose from, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose the blank canvas, and I'm going to show you what I am talking about. I'm going to show you how you can look for the right video for your project on Canva. Now this is the blank canvas. So what you want to do here is come to this element section. So you tap on it, so you come to this element section, and then you scroll down a bit. You're going to see where you have videos. So you see all, you tap on the see all option. You're going to see videos for business, tech, backgrounds, people, cities, nature. There are so many videos, aerial shots, sky, nature. All of these are videos that you can choose from. But you know what? The downside is if you click on this, tap see all, you're going to have so many options, and it's like a lot to choose from. But let's say you're looking for something very specific. Now for this, let's use videos in the business niche, or let's use something in the education niche. So let's say you are looking for like students in a classroom, right? Students in classroom. So we already have that suggested for us, so I'm going to click on it like so. Now you're seeing very many options. There are many options that you can choose from, but we're not going to go for any of this. As you can see, you can use any of them. Like I said, I'm using the pro version. That's why I have a lot of options that are available for me to use. If you're using the free option, you're gonna have it's going to be like a limit to what you can do. Yes, it's going to be like a limit. So it's just better to just get the paid version of Canva, so that you can have access to some of this, because actually you have best videos. You get great videos with their paid options, and it's actually very affordable. Okay, so like I said, these are many videos that I can choose from, but the downside of this is I want a video of a Black American in a classroom. So what I do most of the time is I go to this site called iStock. So many of you already know this, but iStock, this is where you can get royalty-free images, stock images, and videos, but they're not like free. They're like paid. You have to pay for it. So, and some of their videos are very pricey, I have to say. So let's say I'm looking for a Black American student in a classroom. As you can see, they have options here that I can choose from. So what I do is this. I cannot download their videos. If you download their videos, you're going to have watermark in them, which is not what you want. So what I do is I'll tap on a video that I like. I'll open up a video I like from the search results. So let's say I like which one? So let's say I like this one, okay? So I'm going to just open this up. Yeah, I open this up. So as you can see, they have written here like the title of the video, right? Talented, smart, multi-ethnic Hispanic female student studying in college with diverse colleagues. Black young woman writing down a summary from the lecture in her notebook. So what I want to do is copy this, okay? I'm just going to copy this like so, and then take it all the way to Canva. I'll take it to Canva. All right, so I'll take it to Canva, and what I want to do is paste this right here like so, and then search for that. As you can see, it's going to bring up like very similar results where you have a lady in a classroom. Sorry, I don't want that. It's bringing up very similar results. As you can see, it's bringing up very similar results. I think I like this one. As you can see, like it's giving us what we want. Yeah, so I like this one. I drag that to the canvas. I drag that to the canvas. I love this, right? It's nice, right? So this is what we're looking for. So let's say we could add this if we want, because it still gives that Black American vibe. So I'm just gonna drag this to the next. Yeah, our Black American mama is just, you know, what we need. All right, so that's just the trick. Okay, that's a trick that you can use to get videos, the kind of videos that you're looking for. Remember, all you need to do is go to iStock. You know, iStock, one of the reasons why I say you can come here to actually try that trick I just showed you is because iStock has a wide range of options. This is where you can describe what you want, okay? Unlike Canva, you can describe what you want, but it's going to give you like a very vague option. It can give you very vague options, okay? So it's best to come to iStock and then describe what you want. Just say whatever you want, okay? You can say whatever you want, and you know it's going to bring up the results, right? It's going to bring up different results for you to choose from, and then from there you can then select, you know, the one you want. Like you see that simple search that I did, Black American student in a college classroom. It brought out lots and lots of results, right? Lots of results, like over 1,267 videos, right? So you can see how it works. So here it gives you a variety of videos that you can choose from. All you need from these videos is the caption. Now look at the student studying in the library. So I can just copy this. I can copy this directly and then take it to Canva and come here, and all I need to do is paste it. Once I paste this, I can just go ahead and search. As you can see, it brings up just similar results, what you're looking for, right? It brings up similar results which you can add in your project. So all you need to do is just drag this and add in your project. So this is what you can do for whatever niche you're working on. Always remember that in iStock you can describe your video, you know, whatever video that you have in mind for the kind of project that you're working on, right? So iStock gives you the option of describing video, video that you're looking for. So you can just write in the search bar what you want and narrow down your search results. Now once you get your results, you can then look through the options that you have and get that caption. For instance, now look at this student raising hand. Let us click on this video and see young woman asking questions during a seminar. Now we can copy this, right? We can copy this and take it all the way to Canva and just paste it like so, and then we are going to look for it. Have you seen it's bringing up similar videos, right? It's bringing up similar videos. The first one, as you can see, the woman raising hand, and you can drag this and drop for your project. That is how to create to find videos for your project. Okay, it's very simple. You can do this in any niche. Okay, you can do this in any niche. Let's say we're doing a nature kind of thing. Let's look for a blue whale kind of. Let's just do something like that, right? Okay, blue whale. Now it's bringing up different videos, right, of a blue whale. So you can do this for any kind of niche. And let's say I like this one, so let's open up this one. See, giant blue whale surfaces. Have you seen giant blue whale surfaces up close? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this and take this to Canva and then paste it. So giant blue whale surfaces up close. Have you seen? It's bringing up different options that we can choose from. Okay, so let's say like I delete this one. Let's just say, and let me delete this one off so that I can bring in that video. Let me get this one. Okay, drag this to the end. I think I love this, right? So you can look for videos for any kind of projects that you are creating. All you need to do is go to iStock, where you can describe whatever video that you are looking for or whatever you have in mind for your project, and open up the search results. Like open up the one that gets your attention in the search results. From there you can get the title of that video and paste that in Canva. When you paste that on Canva, you search for that specific video